Good morning, everybody. Got Darren here, and just a little tutorial on how you can join a team. But a piece of housekeeping, then if anybody didn't hear, then I did have a little stint with up in Bloomington. I'm doing better. I'm able to talk a lot better now today as well, which has prevented some podcasting and some other things that we wanted to do. But appreciate everybody's support, well wishes, prayers. I have a great prognosis with everything. Some chronic issues to take care of, but essentially for anything that they were able to determine, that I just had a Bell's palsy onset, and undetermined as to causation. All right, enough on me. Let's get back to this fundraising, the YISH. Been a lot of progress and a lot of things going on. We're using a new system this year, and you can see that this is the home screen. So you just go to theyish.com, and you'll see that this is right here where you register, or you can join a team, and I'll get into that here in a moment on joining a team versus actually being on a team to play. You can support a team without being on the team for a gameplay. That's determined by the roster and your team captain, who all's on your team. But you click that link, okay, and you'll redirect to this page, and you'll have a join team option right here, okay. All pretty self-explanatory. We got all the other little buttons and stuff, and you got leaderboards, and you know, there's our goal. We'd like to see that improving. Join a team. Going to click on that. It's going to redirect us to the next screen, which is going to give us a couple options. Number one is the team registration. That's not what you want to do if you're just joining a team. If you want to be able to have your fundraising go towards your team to try to vie for one of the 3 awards that we're doing this year: fundraising, team spirit, and gameplay. So you can be the winner of fundraising, and 25% of our proceeds is going to go to the charity of choice for that team. So friends, family, businesses, anybody that wants to support as a sponsor, then it's all available options. Anyhow, you can see this is 0 right here, so it doesn't cost anything to join a team. All right, so you can basically, you're a participant for that team. So anything that you do or contribute or is contributed on your behalf is added to the overall accumulated fundraising total for that team. So I'm going to go ahead and click it, and you say that you want to be a player. You want to join the existing team. Participant would be maybe more appropriate, since you're not really a player necessarily, but you are a supporter or a participant. So then you continue on to registration. It'll bring up this list right here of all the teams that are available that you could join. These are currently just the ones that are registered. No preference here, just needed to make a video. So you can see if you want to support Craig, you want to support Owen, Brittany, Mason, Dustin, Nancy, or Mike, then basically you just click here. You could also search if this list is hopefully expands and is a lot longer, and then that's quicker for you. But for right now, just because it was the latest registrant, now you know what we'll use Craig. Then we click Craig, and so then basically it says, okay, you're going to raise money towards that team. That team's goal is $250 to raise, which is also set forth by your team captain. You can far exceed that if you wish, and we would really appreciate it if you do. But that was just a minimum that we hoped between a network of friends, family, businesses, and so forth that you could come up with. So you just plug in your details right here, and you would click next. I imagine it's not going to allow me to do that because those fields are not there, but simple process the rest of the way out. That basically you are now, anything that you donate that will go towards that particular team, the Whiskey Ditkas, and they were the first registrant, I believe, maybe second, but either way, just using them as an example, not being biased towards any one particular team. I'm going to go ahead and click next, and it's going to tell me, yeah, I can't do that. So anyhow, that's pretty much it. That's how that works. So you can be a participant. If you have, I mean, most people would give $10 towards, it's a simple process.